This is the Dell XPS 16, and Dell says it's the future-proof 16-inch powerhouse for creators and professionals. But after spending real time testing it, I noticed something the ads gloss over. Stick around to find out if that stunning OLED display and RTX GPU really justify the steep price, or if it's just style over substance. Dell XPS 16 Product Overview. Okay, so what exactly are we looking at? This is the Dell XPS 16 9640, a premium 16.3-inch clamshell laptop from Dell, released early 2024. It replaces the older XPS 15/17 lineup and brings sleeker, more futuristic inputs and chassis. Configurations go from Intel Core Ultra 7 to Core Ultra 9 Meteor Lake CPUs, paired with optional NVIDIA RTX 40 series GPUs up to RTX 4070. Display choices? A standard FHD Plus IPS or a glorious 4K Plus OLED touch panel. It clearly targets power users, creators, engineers, anyone who wants a portable yet capable workstation. Dell XPS 16 Performance. Okay, specs alone are one thing. What's the day-to-day feel like? I edited 4K footage in DaVinci Resolve, hopped between dozens of Chrome tabs, and even squeezed in some gaming. The Core Ultra 9 with RTX 4070 configuration never flinched. Even heavier workloads like rendering or 3D modeling didn't stutter. It's legitimately capable of workstation tasks on the go. Battery life? Not bad. I got about 9 to 10 hours off a charge doing light work and media playback, just enough to get me through a full day without scrambling for an outlet. But push it, gaming or heavy rendering, and the runtime drops, which makes sense, but it's worth noting. Features and tech. Okay, let's talk standout tech and, more importantly, why it matters. First up, the 4K Plus OLED touch panel. If you spend time color grading, binging shows, or just want a window that pops, this panel is jaw-dropping. Deep blacks, 100% DCI-P3, and 90 Hz smoothness. It's not just eye candy, it makes daily scrolling feel silky and immersive. Next, the invisible haptic glass touchpad and capacitive function row. Visually minimalist, and once you get used to it, the responsiveness is rock solid. But, fair warning, this design divides people. In fact, some reviews call it polarizing. Third, the aluminum CNC chassis. It looks and feels premium, rugged even, without being crazy heavy. All-metal build equals durable and notebook classy. Finally, Thunderbolt 4x3 and micro SD. It's lean, without USB-A or HDMI, so you'll need dongles, but the fast modern ports mean excellent future-proofing and easy multi-display setups. Design and build. Aesthetically, Dell knocks it out of the park. The CNC-machined aluminum body, available in platinum or graphite, feels premium and resists fingerprints surprisingly well. At about 4.7 to 4.8 pounds, it's lighter than many other 16-inch laptops, yet still substantial in the hand. The hinge is smooth and stable, no annoying wobble, and lets you open it single-handedly. Visually striking? Yes. Practical? Mostly. Just be ready for the keyboard layout. Some people love the streamlined look, others find it takes getting used to. Pros. Stunning OLED display. Makes everything look buttery smooth and vibrant. Strong performance. The Core Ultra and RTX combo handles everything I threw at it. Premium durable build. Light for a 16-inch laptop, and the hinge is rock solid. Great battery life for everyday tasks. Cons. Keyboard and touchpad design might feel awkward at first. No legacy ports, you'll need dongles. Price is high, especially if you want the OLED version. Final verdict. So who is this for, and is it worth your hard-earned cash? Here's the deal. If you're a creator, professional, or student who values a bold, powerful, and portable 16-inch workstation, especially display and solid all-day versatility, the XPS 16 delivers the goods. The OLED screen alone could justify the price if your workflow revolves around visual content, and it handles productivity, editing, and even light gaming with ease. But if you're on a tighter budget or prefer tactile keyboards and classic port selection, you might get more comfort and value elsewhere, maybe the older XPS 15 or something like Lenovo's ThinkPad series. Still, if you want future-looking build quality and performance in a sleek package, the Dell XPS 16 9640 is a standout. Final thought? It's the boldest, most capable XPS laptop to date, at a bold price.